for the last couple of days, I'm mainly focusing on the content manager. So if you right now go to the content manager, if you go for other, or if you click one link, you will see like only part of the UI is refreshing. That means like also like you can see I can clear right now to make another. So you can see so initially, so once I take over the UI, so there's like multiple redundant API call. Then I kind of make the changes. Right now, it's just two API call, which is somehow we still have room to improvement, but that's the somehow like the most. I think there's at least there's no like redundant API call. There's all different API calls they are useful. So if you check out the existing like a smart chat, which I have not applied the layout yet. So if you see, for example, if I just try to click one tag, so then it's the whole UI will kind of refresh, which is a little bit kind of like not something what we want. So you can see a bunch of events take place. So
I think the easiest place to see it is when you click a tag, the question library will refresh. So you see them like go into their loading state for a second, and then the questions actually show. So that's not the expected behavior.
yeah, basically that's kind of like this have not been applied with the layout yet, so which I plan to do later on. So, but anyway, so which one you are talking about, right?
Oh, so if you click a tag, like if you click hooks or React, you'll see the question library goes into a loading state there and then shows all the questions. So that's a case where we don't want that part of the UI to refresh.
Yeah.
So just
Yeah.
to make sure I understand, we've basically, for the content manager only to start, we've basically made it so that only the specific pieces of the UI that need to be refreshed are being refreshed. And therefore we're cutting back on a lot of the like unnecessary API calls that are happening throughout the user experience. Is that right?
Yes. So right now we have three layouts. One of the layout is like the sidebar. That's the one layout, and another layout is like so the left side of the panel, and the last one piece is the right side of the panel. So if somehow we only change the tag, only the right side will be refreshed, and the specific API call will made only to rendering the right side part. So
Awesome.
the left side will keep what it is. So yeah, I think that's the ultimate goal. Still, there's not quite perfect, but I think we're kind of like heading to that kind of like route. So we also Ryan is making some changes on the VT side. So basically, he is also applying layout to the VT side, which somehow I think eventually for the VT side we will just ultimately we will just targeting to like okay we want those kind of tag changes. We only want to refresh the specific part that related, not really every single part of the pages. Yeah.
Sounds good.